Alright guys, we are back with another video, and today we have here the M340, and I believe it's a 2019. Don't quote me on it. I'm really not even sure the differences of any of them, but it's a pretty nice color. I like the M Performance stripe on the side. As you come around to the front, you got the black kidney grills. Somewhat of an aggressive front, but I'm not too sure. Just give you all a quick walk around. You all see the M Performance brake calipers as usual. And I believe these are 19-inch wheels. Yes, I'm correct. Those are 19-inch wheels. And coming around. And this is a rear-wheel drive. As you can see, it doesn't have the X-Drive badge on the back. And you have the M340 right there. So people know that this is not the regular 330. As you come around, you see the side gills on the side, as I always love those. All right, and now we're gonna move along in the inside of the car. So starting off, you have the key fob. This is how you tell the difference. Come on, focus. But you have the blue and red stripes, and obviously unlock it. And let's hop on in. Have the M340 badge as you step in. The M Performance carpet, I believe that is an option. So stepping in, as the driver can see, have the M on the steering wheel. And now we're gonna place our foot on the brake and hit that start button. And as you can see, it fires right on up. I'm gonna close that for you all. And I believe this is equipped with almost 400 horsepower. I'm not too sure. I'm not a big car brain guy, but I do love cars. But coming along here, I just love this screen. I was just so flat and so wide, and then it kind of connect. I like that a lot. Then coming along here, I'm not sure what material this is, but it feels something like carbon. But as you know, that's where your cup holders go. You got the volt, you got the USB, and then you got the option to charge your phone if you would like. Close that up. And as you can see, this one is not fully loaded if it's missing an option right here. And I believe this is where the camera will go. But you have your sport, you have your comfort, eco, all those good things. And coming up here, as you can see, it does have a sunroof, and what you want to do is just pop that back. And the sunroof goes back nice and neat, guys. And one thing I love about this is the crackles and pops that it have compared to the M3. Because I'm pretty sure if you're going to buy this vehicle, you're probably looking into an M3 as well. And me personally, the technology inside of this vehicle is a lot better than the M3, but the M3 is obviously going to give you the more power and performance. But this will give you both, because this isn't too bad when you get on it a little bit. Give you all a quick view of the seats. And I'm gonna let you all see the back. Let's go along this side. And as you can see, this wing right here is called the long tail wing, or whatever you want to call it, because usually the wing would sit up here, a little bit more up here, and it wouldn't come down as much. You see how flat it is, like a tail? That's the difference. And I love that wing, me personally. What you want to do is, I would say if you're about 5'9" or whatever it is, you can step right in pretty comfortably. And pretty good headroom. Shut that door. And I'm in here nice and neat, guys. As long as my feet is underneath the seat. I'm not sure if that's a big complaint for any of you guys. As you can see, stepping in the back, you have air vents, and then you have the Volt. You have the chargers right there, and the back passengers can control what they would like their AC on. And I just love this view. Like, I always been a lover of riding in the back seat because you just get the whole view of the cockpit. But let's step on out and show you all the rest of the vehicle. And it looks so much more aggressive with the headlights, guys. And as you can see, you got like somewhat of that bronze on the mirror. And you do have that option to get that as well on the front of this vehicle. Man, does this car look good. We're gonna wrap this video up. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching, and I would like for you all to comment, subscribe. I want to stay dedicated to getting these videos out to you all. And if you all are enjoying this content, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep growing, guys. Peace.